Welcome back to the channel. The 29th of June. We are heading into the summer months here, July. Usually markets are pretty quiet during the summer, but we seem to be in an uptrend here. Aerodrome Finance, let's take a look here. Ticker symbol AERO / the United States dollar. This is the Coinbase data. Finally, guys, we got so far anyways, on this Sunday, we have a daily market higher low. Let's take a look at the candle for today. So we had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 days worth of lower highs and lower lows, kicking off on the 25th of June, Wednesday. Today, so far, the 29th, we have a higher daily low on the candle. And we also have a higher high, which is great. It doesn't matter that much. Really just looking for the higher low to see if this pullback, is going to start something more to the upside and finish that downside pullback. So we do have that so far today. Again, got many hours left in this Sunday. We don't know where it's going to end up, but for starters, this is looking good here, guys. Aerodrome is above its 50-day moving average. That is this green line. We do have the rolling over of the 200-day. Not a big deal, but it is what it is. Let's pay attention to the price action. And again, we're still below that. A couple things we wanted to watch here, or at least that I'm watching here on the charts for Aerodrome, is I'm watching the highs over here. That would be the 24th of June. It was a Tuesday, 89 cents. And then I'm also watching these highs over here, the 19th of June, 96. So also I'm watching the lows over here from the 22nd. That is 71. So I'm watching 71 to the downside. I am watching 89 to the upside for starters. And then after that, 96 to the upside. Why am I watching those? Well, if I'm looking for price to move higher, which I am, I want to see a break above this high here on the 24th. That would be quite bullish. Again, that's 89 cents. If the market can continue up from there, we're going to talk about some targets. Looking for a break above this high as well, 96. And then this thing is really going to be off to our upper targets here between 98 and 109. We have two new targets on today's chart. They are 90 cents right here in yellow. Actually, that's the date. So 0.901. We also have a second one up there at 96.5. That's this blue one. So what does that look like if we take our calculator, our ruler here, and from a percentage move. So a percentage move from where we're trading at today, which looks like around 77 cents, almost 78 cents. It's about, call it a 15-16% move up there to the 90 cent target. Number one, number two, 96 cents, about a 23.5, 24% move. So 15 to about a 24 or so percent move until we get to those new targets, assuming the market doesn't put in a lower high and a lower low and start to roll over, test those lows here from the 22nd, head down towards the 69 support target. So we're still in the middle. We're still in this little bit of a pennant pattern forming. Let me see if I can draw that on the chart for you guys. Let's see here. So again, I trade off price action. I want to see either bullish or bearish action. Chart patterns are just an added, it's just a bonus. I used to trade off chart patterns. Don't really anymore. I just go off price action. And that's that. Just to make it clear, I am not trading. I am not invested in Aerodrome, but I enjoy tracking it. A lot of the community, at least it seems, enjoys to watch the videos that I put up here. So that's why I follow it here and make videos about it. You guys enjoy it. So that's what I'm watching, guys. I want to see the breaks above those highs. If we move higher, if we move lower, watching that low there, and then lower support. If if things get nasty and we start to break, we want to see support at 69. If we take out the lows here from the 22nd, if we start to break out higher, We're going to watch the highs from the 24th. Target number 1, 90 cents. Target number 2, 96 cents. And that's going to put us right at the high there from the 19th of June at 96. So our target's 96.5. And coincidentally, the high from the 19th happens to be 96.5. So we take a zoom out here on the chart. Just sometimes you get a little bit of a bigger view. Aerodrome bottomed. So I was calling for a 25-cent move to the downside from this head and shoulders up in here. We got very close. We hit 28 as the low. Big V bottom. Bottomed with the rest of the markets. Took off like a rocket. It's probably up. Let's see here what we're up from the lows. About 170 or so %. I saw a comment somebody got long from down at the bottom. Fantastic. Fantastic. Not everybody can step up to the plate when there is fear, when there's blood in the streets, and big opportunity if you can figure out a way to do that and ride it out. Let's drop into Bitcoin just real quick. Haven't looked at Bitcoin today. So Bitcoin starting to break out above that overhead resistance line. Guys, this could be huge. If this holds and we break, this could be very good for the markets and very good for Bitcoin, obviously. My next target above, again, breaking above this resistance line here. We have a couple highs to watch, basically right around this, let's say 110 area, 111 or so. My next target is 116,834. Again, we got to break above this and hold. I mean, this thing is setting up. It looks perfect right now, so we're going to see how it plays out. That's what I'm looking for and hoping for. We'll see. Guys, 116,834. Thanks for watching. All links are down below. My email's down below, too, if you have any questions. Hit me up on that, of course, not financial advice, but every once in a while somebody will email me. And, yeah, feel free. It's right down there. It should be like the second or so thing posted in the video description. All right, I'm going to get a ski mask video up here. Wasn't able to get to it yesterday, so hopefully I can get to it right now. You guys take care. I'll see you down in the comments. If you're not yet subscribed, join us here. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know if any other projects you want me to take a look at. They can be stocks. They can be futures. Of course, they can be cryptocurrencies. All right, guys. Enjoy your Sunday. Later.